Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Nya Securities. My name is Atish, and in this video we are going to discuss the difference between fixed income and equity and how we can benefit out of each investment. So what is fixed income? Fixed income is also called debt funds. So many people have confusion about what are debt funds. So debt funds are nothing but fixed income source of investment. So debt funds are a type of investment where your returns will be predefined irrespective of the market performance or the company performance. So if you are taking a corporate bond into a particular company, so your returns will be predefined. This is a scenario where you act as a bank for the company. So take for example, you are a bank and how you are giving a loan to the company and the company is paying you interest. It is a predefined interest, right? So you will get the returns which will be predefined irrespective of the company's performance. If you will continue getting returns even if the company goes into a loss. So if you have taken a loan from the bank, even if you are doing a loss, you will still give interest to the bank, right? Similarly, if you invest in a corporate debt fund, the company is obliged to give you returns irrespective of its performance. You will get the same returns even if the company performs above average. So even if the company performs good, your returns will be predefined. Corporate bonds, government bonds are some examples of debt funds. Even your fixed deposit in some scenario is also called as a debt fund because you're getting a fixed return on your investment. The another asset class is equity. So equity is something you take part ownership in that company. So company is not obliged to pay you returns. So here what you're saying is that you're investing your money and in return you're asking for a ownership of that company. So when you are the owner of the company, what will happen is that you will get high returns even if if the company performs well, and low returns if the company does fair, and no returns if the company is in loss. So you behave like the owner of the company, and how the company performs will directly be linked to your returns. So now you got a idea about what is an equity fund and what is a debt fund, and we will understand the difference between the two. So equity has high risk as you can lose your money or generate no returns if the company fails to perform. Since you are the owner of the company, you're taking the ownership in the company. So it's a high risky business. Whereas a debt fund is a low risk as you will continue to get returns irrespective of the company performance. So here your safety is maintained. You will continue to get returns irrespective of the company's performance. High risk if the company overperforms. Oh, sorry, high returns if the company overperforms. So here what happens is that your returns are going to be very high if the company does really good over time. Whereas in the case of a debt fund, your returns will be the same irrespective of the company performance. Your returns will be predefined. Even if the company does well, you will not be able to take advantage of that company's fortune. Equity. You are a part owner of that company and the decisions made by the company will directly affect your returns. This is a very important point. Since you are the owner of the company, whatever decisions that are going to happen in the company, the profit and loss, all will determine your returns in the future. Whereas in the case of debt, you act like a bank for the company and you are not directly linked to the decisions made to the company. So here you are a bank for the company and the company will continue to pay you returns irrespective of the decisions they make. So equity is a great way of wealth creation. Since you are the owner of that company, you hold your ownership into that company. So if tomorrow the company does really well, you will grow with the company and it's a great source for wealth creation. Whereas debt is a great way for regular income. If you are looking for regular income, then debt is a great source. If the company outperforms tomorrow, you will not be able to take advantage of it. So the million-dollar question is, what should you go for, equity or debt? I get this question a lot from my clients, and I always allocate the bands equally. It depends on the risk and return, how much a client is able to take risk. For example, if you are a high risk taking person, then you can go for equity. If you want a regular income, then you can go for debt. Sometimes you can create a mix of both of these where you have some portion of equity and some portion of debt so that you get returns as well as your security is maintained. So this was a short video explaining about debt and equity types of investment. If you think I've missed out any, then if you have any queries or anything of this sort, then do let me know in the comments. We shall have a discussion there. If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Until then, I will see you in the other video. Thank you.